Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do the battle rope. So for the battle rope, we want our feet shoulder width apart, the battle rope touching the ground right in front of us, our butt back, chest out forward, right? Keeping our center of gravity over the center point of our feet, and then now it's all in the hands coming up and down. Now there's a quick tutorial on how to do the battle rope. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Battle rope, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.